Friends, welcome to my channel Sakapriya. In this video, we reviewing one door fridge which branded by Whirlpool. It's my one door fridge and its cover review I give in already gave in the last video, which I am purchasing by Meso. And now look at fridge, one door fridge. First, they provide egg tray. They provide in one single door fridge what we got. And it's icing, but don't worry, it automatically deforest if we press this button and now leave for 2-3 hours. If button re again and show, look, milk john, there is a spread, amul spread, butter, cream from milk for making homemade ghee. They provide touch glass of 3 rake, which you will manage according to your taste, and 3 size in it. Look at this is vegetable and garden fresh, both vegetable and fruits are there, and they have one rack. You must purchase this. It's a helpful for potato and onion. It's a rake and a stand which freely provided by the company of Whirlpool. If you don't buy, if you skip this free product, then after using of need of this thing you must be paid 200 to 400. That's why it's good when you purchasing Whirlpool fridge one door must take free stand and vegetable aloo potato rack. And look at my fridge is blank because I am going to 10-day trip. That's why I'm not in filling my fridge.